Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel where we help you create the outdoor space of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at your yard and felt like it was missing something? A place to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy nature? Well, today we're diving into one of the most transformative trends in outdoor living, the floating deck garden. So what exactly is a floating deck? A floating deck, also known as a ground-level deck, is a deck that isn't attached to your house's foundation. It floats on the ground, making it a fantastic and often easier alternative to traditional elevated decks. But when you add a garden to it, that's when the magic truly happens. A floating deck garden is a seamless blend of structure and nature, creating a beautiful, functional, and inviting outdoor room. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, floating deck gardens offer a multitude of benefits. First, they're incredibly versatile. They can be built on uneven ground, which is perfect for yards with slopes or hills, saving you the hassle and cost of extensive groundwork. They also don't require complex permits in many areas, as they're not considered a permanent structure attached to your home. This makes them a great DIY project for a weekend warrior. Moreover, they elevate your garden from a simple lawn to a multi-dimensional space. The raised surface provides a clear path and a clean base, allowing your plants to truly stand out. This design can also define different zones in your yard: a dining area, a lounge, or a tranquil spot for meditation, all without needing a lot of space. It's the perfect solution for small urban yards, creating an illusion of a larger, more structured space. Now you might be wondering, how do I decorate my floating deck to look beautiful? The key is to blend the natural elements with your deck's design. Use a variety of planters and pots in different sizes, shapes, and materials like terracotta, metal, or sleek ceramic to create visual interest. Arrange them in clusters to form mini gardens, or use them to frame your deck's edges. Incorporate vertical gardens or trellises to add height and lushness without taking up valuable floor space. Layer your decor with comfortable outdoor furniture, soft cushions, and ambient lighting like string lights or lanterns. Don't forget a beautiful outdoor rug to anchor your seating area and add a touch of color and texture. The goal is to create a space that feels like a natural extension of your home. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are the collection of the top 10 favorite floating deck garden design ideas to spark your creativity. One, the Urban Luxe Entertainment Zone. This multi-textured space is a perfect example of a modern high-end floating deck. The slatted pergola provides a stylish architectural frame for the seating area, while the fire pit adds a cozy focal point. The combination of wood decking and concrete pavers with gravel creates distinct zones, all beautifully tied together with ambient lighting and lush plants. 2, the Relaxed Raised Planter Retreat. This rustic and inviting design features a floating deck with built-in, raised planter boxes. This is a brilliant way to integrate the garden directly into the deck structure, creating a cohesive look. The wooden pergola provides some shade and a frame for climbing plants, while the various pots and plants add layers of visual interest and texture. 3, the Spa-like Retreat with built-in hot tub. This modern and sophisticated design showcases how a floating deck can be both beautiful and highly functional. The tiered wood decking creates a dynamic landscape, leading to a built-in hot tub for the ultimate relaxation. The strategic placement of lush, manicured greenery and string lights adds a magical resort-like ambience. 4, the Modern Zen Escape. This stunning design combines a floating deck with a minimalist, modern aesthetic. The built-in grill station and bench seating are both practical and visually appealing. The retractable canopy provides shade, while the small fire pit and ambient lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere, making it a perfect spot for evening entertaining. 5, the Sun-Drenched Courtyard Oasis. This charming design perfectly combines a serene lounge area with a lush, low-maintenance garden. The light-colored furniture and large umbrellas create a bright and airy feel, while the gravel and mixed-media planting beds add beautiful texture. The seamless transition from the indoor living space to the deck makes this a perfect spot for both quiet relaxation and small gatherings. 6. The classic European patio garden. A classic and cozy setup that proves a floating deck can feel like a traditional patio. The wicker furniture and a bold black and white rug create a stylish and comfortable seating area. The surrounding greenery and pots and beds, along with the beautiful wooden trellis, gives this space a private, secluded feel, perfect for enjoying a quiet afternoon. 7. The Japanese-inspired water garden. This unique design features a floating deck built over a tranquil water feature, creating a serene and meditative space. The angled lines of the deck add a striking architectural element. Surrounding the deck are carefully placed rocks, small plants, and a variety of bonsai trees, which all contribute to a peaceful, contemplative atmosphere. 8. The vertical garden balcony. This image shows that even the smallest spaces, like a balcony or small deck, can become a lush garden oasis. The clever use of planters on ledges and railing planters creates a vertical garden that maximizes space. The cozy table and chairs make this a perfect spot for morning coffee, surrounded by a bountiful and edible garden. 9. The tropical paradise pathway. For a more exotic feel, this design incorporates multi-level decking to create a sense of movement and depth. The rich, dark wood contrasts beautifully with the vibrant, lush tropical plants like palms and ferns. The floating steps lead you through the garden, creating a journey rather than just a destination, and inviting you to explore the space. 10. The functional family deck. This spacious and light-colored floating deck is perfect for family use. It provides a large open area for a dining set, making it ideal for outdoor meals. The raised planter box with low-growing shrubs neatly defines the edge of the deck and adds a touch of greenery without overwhelming the space. The stepping stones seamlessly connect the deck to the rest of the garden. I hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and shown you just how versatile and beautiful a floating deck can be. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny patio, a floating deck garden is an incredible way to extend your living space and connect with nature. So, are you feeling inspired? We want to hear from you. What's your favorite floating deck design from this list? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.